Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome back to Miss Valerie Can Help. I'm going to iron a shirt today, and I'm going to illustrate how to iron your shirt. Okay guys, first I use the red so it gives you, it shows up more so you can see instead of using like a white shirt or something. So I'm going to use this red shirt to do it. All right. First, as I said in one of my videos before, I use water bottle with the spray bottle with the water in it. So I'm just gonna continue the same because I like doing it like that. It's much better for me than putting the water in the iron because I don't want it to really drain out on my clothes. All right, so you iron the neck or the collar. First, you do this part of it and then you turn it over. All right, then you're gonna bring your shirt over like that and spray. Okay. Just move it to you here. Down. Nice and easy. Time. Just doing it just like that. Go down again. Use your hand to get the creases out. Okay. Bring it down. And you keep ironing your clothes. You spray again. Spray. And the sandboard is rocking like a dolly. Okay. Right. There's a part here that has a little, you have to bring it like that. You don't have to take it all the way down. You just get it lined up like that. And then you just hold it there and you bring it up like this. You don't want it all the way down. You can just stop there. And then you just bring this to here. So then you just get it back. Some people don't like to iron because it's consuming, takes time to get in the little gritties areas of it, so, but I like to do all of these things, I take time to do it, and so I can share with others, you know, those that don't know how to do it. It gives me pleasure doing that, you know, just to share ideas with other persons, you know. And for the young little ones that comes up, some of them don't have a parent to show them, and maybe they watch videos and all of that, so it's good to do that, you know, to let them see what to do and how to iron their clothes. All right, so that's what basically I'm doing. And then I'm gonna do the front where the buttonholes are, and then I'm gonna do the shoulders and the sleeve afterwards. I'm just doing this part. And now I'm gonna do the shoulder. Okay, line it up properly, put it down like this, pin it around, catch this here, and like this, and get your with me. Right, guys, catching a seam in a shirt, sometimes it's a little tricky because you have to make sure you don't get too many seams on your shirt, and you just have to line it like this. I'm gonna do this part so I get the cuffs. Use my spray bottle. I'm gonna turn it down like this. Right. Bring it. Alright. I'm gonna catch there's some seams right here. So make my seam. Oops. Flip it on the other side. So your hand. Put this down like that. And go straight up for this. See my seams? See it's sharp? Hi guys, it might look like I'm taking a long time to do the shirt, but you can't just rush and do a shirt like this and do like this and do like this. It won't come out properly. You have to be gentle with it and take your time because you want it to be done properly, because you don't want people to complain and say, or give it back to you and say, go do it over. So it's best to take your time and gradually do it, and make sure you catch your seams properly, and you'll be fine. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe to Miss Valerie Can Help. It's good to have you again today. Thank you.